The tragedy at the coaching center where 3 students drowned. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan today blamed negligence behind the deaths of the 3 civil services aspirants at a premier coaching center in Delhi's old Rajinder Nagar area. He said there was negligence. Only when accountability is fixed, there will be a solution. It's our responsibility to ensure that such an incident is not repeated. Remember, there's a blame game ongoing. BJP has blamed the Aam Aadmi Party for the deaths of Shreya Yadav, Tanya Soni and Nivin Dalwin at the Rao's IS coaching center, while the MCD of Delhi, a municipal corporation of Delhi controlled by the Aam Aadmi Party, terminated an official and suspended another while launching an anti-encroachment drive.
जो घटना पिछले 27 जुलाई को हुई है, इसको कितना भी हम खेद प्रकट करें, कितना भी हम दुख प्रकट करें, उस परिवारों की कोई भरपाई होने वाला नहीं है। और मैं मानता हूं सदन शायद इसी विषय में सहमत है। हम उन परिवार के प्रति अपना श्रद्धांजलि ज्ञापन करते हैं और निश्चित रूप में हम सभी की दायित्व बनता है ये घटना आगे कैसे ना हो, उसकी दायित्व किसकी है। ये राजनीति लापरवाही बनाम जिम्मेवारी की नहीं होनी चाहिए, जिम्मेवारी होनी चाहिए। लापरवाही तो हुई है।
Go across to Aishwarya for more on this story. And Aishwarya, this is an issue that has been raised in Parliament as well. There is an ongoing blame game between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party, and now the Education Minister, they're speaking in Parliament and saying they are going to ensure that something like this, a tragedy like this, is not repeated.
Well, I mean, the blame game between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party inside and outside the Parliament. Today it was first in the Rajya Sabha, Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh, who elaborately had stated and it was the work that the Aam Aadmi Party has done in terms of sewerage, in terms of the MCD and and the road construction. The work was being showcased by Sanjay Singh. On the other side, it was Dharmendra Pradhan, Education Minister, on blamed negligence behind the deaths of the 3 civil servants aspirants at a premier coaching center in Old Rajinder Nagar area. It was stated by Mr. Pradhan that there was negligence. Only when accountability is fixed, there will be a solution, and it is our responsibility to ensure that such an incident is not repeated. Remember, it was earlier in Lok Sabha, the minister has also stated that the government issued guidelines for the regulations of the coaching centers in January this year, and also without an approved building, without any facilities, some of the coaching centers become mafia. Is the government going to take action? Is something that the Education Minister also asked the Aam Aadmi Party. Remember, the Bharatiya Janata Party has blamed the Aam Aadmi Party for the deaths at the Rao's IAS coaching center, and therefore the reason perhaps the initiative has also been taken by sealing 13 such coaching centers in that particular area. But yes, looking aside, it is of course the blame game and politics which is currently going on inside the Parliament and outside the Parliament as well. But serious action needs to be taken is something what most of the leaders inside the Parliament have stated.
That's right, and it was talked about in Parliament as well, Aishwarya, in Rajya Sabha as well as Lok Sabha. Tell us a bit about that, because across party lines, everyone decrying this what happened and this tragedy that led to 3 young students losing their lives.
Well, remember earlier in the morning, it was from the Congress Party, Mr. Amar Singh. Also, it was Manikam Tagore, Mr. Bibi Eden of the Congress Party, who raised the issue of the Rajinder Nagar incident and had earlier served the adjournment motions, to which in Rajya Sabha, of course, we have seen after a short notice duration was accepted, and it was the Rajya Sabha chairperson agreed to a discussion, to which many of the leaders stated. In fact, it was Samajwadi Party leader Jaya Bachchan who called this entire incident as unfortunate. Swati Maliwal attacked the Delhi government, NDMCD condemning the Delhi coaching center death incident, and also stated that they have received this information that there are several other buildings as well who is under the radar, but no action was taken. Apart from it, it was also All India Trinamool Congress MP Shatabdi Roy who has stated that there should be accountability that should be fixed, and other several other leaders inside the Rajya Sabha as well who clearly demanded accountability to that. But Education Minister spoke in length on the coaching center death and clearly had stated that someone will have to take responsibility for the incident, and the central government had sent advisories and issued guidelines on coaching centers to the states and union territories, just not in 2017 but in 2019, 2020 and 2024 as well. And therefore the reason perhaps anyone who is being found guilty, there will be serious consequences, and there will be accountability that will be fixed. But as far as Aam Aadmi Party and Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned, we have these protests just not outside the parliament, but inside the parliament. This matter echoing in both lower house and upper house as well.